Hello, welcome to Kate's Egg. Today my dad and I are going to go get parts. So we're going to John Deere. We have a lot of different farm kind of tasks to get done today in town and parts to pick up. So I hope you enjoy the video. First, I think we're going to stop by John Deere, which if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that is my favorite place and my favorite everything is John Deere. So that's very exciting and we'll be at John Deere pretty soon. Here we are coming up to the John Deere lot. This is always exciting because John Deere is a super fun place to go. Wouldn't you say, Dad?
It's really fun.
Look at all this new equipment they have there. There's the combines and a tractor. Ooh. They have super large wheels.
They're big tractors, Kate.
A Minneapolis Moline yellow tractor. And then there's the John Deere sign. Now my dad and I are just leaving John Deere and we just got parts for the tractor. We're driving around the lot to see all of the awesome equipment. Ooh, look at that tractor. What's that, Dad?
That's a baler, a round baler.
Oh, wow. So a baler.
Mower, combine.
Look at that combine. And it even has plastic on the inside. And the interior of it, that part right there, the cylinder, right when you use the combine, it immediately turns silver and all the paint wears off of it. So that's kind of a fun fact. So it doesn't stay like that for long, but this header is so extremely long. Wow.
That's a
And
35, Kate.
Oh, a 35? And then the Minneapolis Moline one was back there. So it's always super fun to come to John Deere.
Rabbit underneath the tractor.
Oh, there was a rabbit?
Just missed it. It's front of the back wheel somewhere.
Oh my goodness, there is a rabbit.
Yeah, it's a good place.
Aww. That was so cute. I remember in my antique tractor video, there was a rabbit that ran right as the drone was going. So I didn't even notice it until I published the video or until I started editing it and I saw the rabbit run by. So it was super fun. Now we're going to go and check on my dad's other tractor. So lots of tractor tasks today. Here we have our beautiful Montana skies. It's all blue today, not any clouds. And there's farm ground everywhere in Montana. So here we're by town and there's farm ground too. Look at that. I love the track. The yellow tractor is really cute too. This is my dad's red tractor. There's a couple more things they need to look at before we bring it back to the farm, but I'm going to take you on a little tour of it. It's pretty cool. It has ginormous wheels. This is the same tractor that we were using in the Scenic 2020 video, if you watched that one. A really tall ladder. And here's the cab. It's pretty cool. Here I am, and here is the steering wheel. We have some of our monitors. So this one will show you kind of where you are in the field and your GPS tracking lines because it has GPS and that's super amazing. And then you have all your different gear levers here and gauges. And then the lights and a wonderful view out all windows. So this is a super fun tractor. I really loved being in it. It's not quite as cool as the John Deere one, but it's still really, really cool. So it has a couple more things to be fixed, which is not good because we definitely want a tractor for seeding. That's really, really important. and it's so important to get your seed in the ground. It's a key part of farming as well as harvesting the crop, but if you don't put a good healthy seed in the ground and at the right time of the year, you won't have a wonderful crop to harvest. So everything matters so much in farming, and every little detail is the reason you come out with a fabulous harvest at the end of the day. Here's what I used as the buddy seat, and there's some other tractors kind of like it. Here we've got our mirror to look in the back and see the implement. And an implement is like the drill attached. That's kind of what it's called in the farming world. It's an amazing tractor, and I'm so happy to see it again. I hope you like the little tractor tour. Here are the big wheels. Now I'm going to shut the door, which might be a challenge. There we go, it's shut. It looks like this right here is a drill, and it looks like an older one, but my dad has a flex coil drill, and actually it's the one that this tractor runs, but not that one. That one's just here to get fixed probably as well. Here's another tractor over here. This one looks a lot newer, I would say, than ours. The wheels on these are just ginormous. I cannot get over it. They're taller than I am, and I'm 5 foot. Here we're passing by the Missouri River, and these views are phenomenal, so I thought I'd just show you. They're just gorgeous. Yes, all the geese are on the ice here. Like my dad said, they're resting. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one, and also share it with everyone you know, because it really helps me out, and I appreciate that very much. I hope you just had a wonderful time watching the video. Bye!